Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this soft Valentine's Day look with Blue Heaven products. Recently I've received these products from their brand and they have a new design and new packaging which definitely looks eye-popping. So let's start with the tutorial. I'm first using the Flawless Makeup Base Primer. It is going to fill up all the pores and fine lines and it has a silky matte finish. Next, I'm going to use the Blue Heaven High Coverage Foundation. It has SPF 50 plus and it is also waterproof. This one comes with its own sponge. Next, for my concealer, I'm using the Flawless Liquid Concealer. The shade I'm using is Honey 301. I'm going to highlight my face using this and I'm going to blend it with the same sponge I used before. Now I'm going to fill in my brows using this Walk Free Eyebrow Definer. This is water resistant and I really like the shade. Moving on to my eye makeup, I'm going to use this Signature Vibrant Eyeshadow Palette 02 and you can see the shades are so pigmented. So first I'm going to mix both of these two shades and I'm going to apply this on my crease with the help of a blending brush. Next, I'm going to take the purple shade on a pencil brush and I'm going to smudge it over my upper lash line, and you don't have to be precise, just smudge it and smoke it out. Next, I'm going to use this liquid eyeshadow 02 and I'm going to apply that on my inner corners. Next, I'm going to take this blue kajal and I'm going to apply this on my waterline, and then I'm going to apply this on my upper lash line, and then I will again take the purple shade and smoke it out. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to use this Lash Twist Curling Mascara. And lastly, for lipstick, I'm using the Powder Matte Lipstick in the shade Brick Beauty. That's it for today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check out the description box below for the details. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.